Hi, this is Jay Earley, the creator of the Pattern System. The Pattern System is a systematic approach to understanding your personality that can lead directly to healing and personal growth. It also helps you to understand other people, why they respond as they do, and what makes them tick. If you explore yourself using the Pattern System, you will be able to create a detailed map of your psyche. It's like a periodic table for psychology. You will be able to see your strengths and your defenses, your places of pain and how you compensate for them. You will understand the structure of your inner conflicts and the leading edge of your growth. The Pattern System is organized according to dimensions, which are areas of psychological functioning that are important for human well-being, such as intimacy, conflict, or power. Within each dimension, patterns represent problematic behavior that causes difficulties for us. For example, in the power dimension, the people-pleasing pattern involves being overly involved in pleasing others so that we don't take care of our own needs. Healthy capacities are the ways we feel and act that make our lives productive, connected, and happy. For example, the Assertiveness Capacity involves exercising personal power to meet our needs and to advocate for the way we think things should be. The goal of the Pattern System is to support us in transforming our functioning from patterns to capacities. I hope this video has given you a beginning understanding of the Pattern System. For more information, see patternsystem.com, my book, The Pattern System, or my web application, selftherapyjourney.com.